Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. In this video, I'm going to be making some very delicious no-bake brownies. I'm going to start with 2 packages of tea biscuits. These are 14-ounce packages. I'm going to blend all the tea biscuits up and put them in a bowl. And you see they are very fine. The next ingredient is roasted peanuts. Just grind them up very finely and add it to your tea biscuits. Next, get a saucepan and put in it a half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of butter. And I'm only going to heat this up just to melt the butter. Next, add your liquids to your crumbs and mix very well. And by putting a glove on, one that you use for handling food, I was able to get my hand in there and really work it and mix it a lot better. Now at this point, divide the mixture into 2 equal parts. Now to the first half of this mixture, I'm going to add a half a cup of desiccated coconut. If you find that the mixture is a little bit dry, just add a little bit of milk. You want the mixture to be moist enough that it can be pressed together once you put it in the pan. Next, melt half a cup of chocolate. It can be semi-sweet, milk chocolate, or dark chocolate. I'm using the semi-sweet. I'm going to melt mine in a double broiler, but you also can melt it in the microwave. Remember, we divided our crumbs into 2 equal parts. 1 part got coconut. Well, the chocolate is going to go into the second part. and just mix it very well. And just like before, if it feels a little bit too dry, just add a little bit of milk. Okay, so now just for convenience, I'm going to take all of the ones out of this bowl that's got the chocolate in it, and I'm going to put it in like in a mold and cut it in half. I have lined this dish here with parchment paper, and I'm going to start putting in my crumbs. Alright, so I've taken half of the chocolate crumbs and I'm going to press it down into this dish, because the idea here is we're going to layer the chocolate, the chocolate again, and then the coconut to form the brownie. So here is the one with the coconut in it. I formed it into a mold. I'm going to cut it in half just like the other one, and we're going to put a layer of the coconut crumbs on top of the chocolate one in the pan. I'm just evening it out here, and then I'm going to press it down firmly. Now it's time to add another layer of the chocolate. And once again, just press it down firmly. Okay, one more layer. This is the last layer. The process is the same. Just even it out and then press it down. Our delicious no-bake brownie now has been made. Okay, it's time to melt another half cup of chocolate of your choice, and this one here is going to go on top of the brownie. But to this one here, we're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now that the chocolate is melted, I'm just going to pour it over the brownie mix. And if you would like to have a lot more chocolate on top of your brownie, instead of melting a half a cup, melt a whole cup of chocolates. Alright, so I'm just tilting the pan from side to side instead of using a utensil of some sort. This way it can just kind of run down and fill in all the little cracks and corners. Alright, so this delicious brownie is finished. It is easy to make and it tastes very, very good. This brownie is very, very moist. I think you'll be surprised on how moist it is. So at this point, you can garnish it with some kind of nuts. I'm actually using some pistachios. These brownies are ready to eat right away, or if you would like for the chocolate to be a little bit more firm, just stick it in the refrigerator for about an hour. This recipe actually made quite a few brownie bites.